Hi everyone, here's my quick and easy recipe for a delicious banchan called Gamja Bokkeum, or Korean stir-fried potatoes. You guys are gonna love this one. So let's get cooking. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to a hot pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 julienne potato, 1 julienne carrot, and half a sliced onion. You're gonna saute all of that for about 10 minutes. Season, you're gonna add a half a teaspoon of salt, some pepper. Let's just add a splash of water. These potatoes are so good. They're like Korean style hash browns. Just garnish with some toasted sesame seeds and thinly sliced scallions, and there you go.